What's going on again, world? My next EDC knife review will be on the Gerber STL 2.0. And here's another one of my actual everyday carry and utility here. So I decided to do a good review on this. And same place again. I got it at Walmart. I got this a long time ago. So this one I got it back in 2013. So wow. So I've owned this for the past 10 years, and it's still in great shape. And yes, another common item at Walmart, or I'm not sure if they still have these. It's been that long. So yeah, that's where I got it again. Also got it for about around $14. That's how much I got it for. So here it is. So this is the Gerber STL 2.0. Yes, my actual everyday carry. So I decided to do, again, a good review on this. Also, yes, it doesn't have a pocket clip. So yeah, I have this in my wallet. I take turns each time. So not much. Nothing special again. This is just your average manual folding. It just opens like this. Not much. There we go. It's about 2 inches overall length, like that. Not, just your average manual folder again. Yeah, opens like that. It still has a good edge to it. I've used this for light and medium duty. Yeah, I've also used this in some of my videos. So yeah, Walmart used to have these. Oh wow, back then. So 2013, that's when I got this. The Gerber. What do you call this? Gerber STL 2.0. That's what it's called. The best thing about this, it's very slim, easy to carry. Right there. Just your typical manual folding like that. And it's still in great shape after, wow, like 10 years. Yeah, I got this 10 years ago. Still in good shape. Alright, and as always, I show the package every time. I'll put it there. So here's the original packaging that came out of it. I still have this too. Yeah, I always show the packaging every time. Right there. This is where it came out of. Still have it. Still have this. All right, now I'll show you up close. Yeah, this is just your typical manual folder. Just opens like that. Make sure we have a good focus here. Just opens like this. Yeah, like that. The best thing about this, it's very slim. Yeah, easy to carry. Yeah, of course it doesn't have a pocket clip, so I just have this in my wallet. As always, I take turns. Yeah, just opens like that. And right there, you can also put this on your keyring. So around, that's how much I got it for. I got it for about $14. That's at Walmart. Oh wow, while back, 2013. That's when I got it. And yeah, time just flies by. So like this, just opens like this, like that. Not much. Yes, another one of my actual everyday carries right here. All right, now the usual. Let's talk about recommendations on this one. It's up to you. Honestly, Gerbers aren't always the best qualities, but it's up to you again for for about $14. And I'm not sure. It's been so long. Yeah, well, this used to be a common item at Walmart. That's where I got it again. Yeah, they used to have these a while back. That's where I got it again. Yeah, that's where I got it. So again, it's up to you if you want to get this. Not the best quality, but from my experience, never had a single problem with this. Never broke down. So again, this is just your average manual folder. Here, let me show you again. Just opens like this, like that. Just your average. And yep, the best thing about this, it's built to last. That's the best thing about manual folding knives. There you go. And yes, good. Yeah, again, good backup tool. Yeah, there you go. It's very slim, easy to carry. So again, I have this in my wallet. I take turns each time. So $14, or you can get it just about anywhere other than Walmart. So here it is, like 10 years later. Wow, it just went by, and it's still in great shape. Yeah, I use this for light and medium duty. Yes, I've used this in some of my a lot of my videos too. Yeah, just like that. And there you go. That's yeah. Here's one of my actual everyday carries right here. The Gerber STL 2.0. So for $14, that's how much you can get these for if they're still around. Yeah, I got this like such a while back. There you go. One more time. So this one's about 2 inches overall length. Works great for me. No problems with it at all. There you go. Very slim, easy to use. Right there. Yeah. You can also put this on your keyring. All right. One last time. Just opens like this, and there you go. And there you have it. I gave you a good review on my everyday carry and utility here, the Gerber STL 2.0. So here it is, 10 years later. Yeah, I got this a long time ago. It's still in great shape, no problems with it at all. All right, so there you go. I give you a good review on this, so let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.